point P on the circle at the distance x, you need to draw a line PC dash parallel to the long chord T1 and T2. After which you need to join the point O to P to cut this long chord at point G. That is what it is given. Now if you want to calculate the ordinate OX to any point P, draw a line PC dash parallel to the long chord T1, T2. Now join PO to cut the long chord at point G. That is, now you need to draw the line O to P to cut this long chord at point G. So let us consider the point P into XY on the curve. So from the triangle OPC dash, apply Pythagoras theorem. That is this. Now you are going to consider the triangle OPC dash and you are going to cut the line. Okay. So here you take the triangle, that is OPC dash. That is, from here if you apply the Pythagoras theorem, here comes the right angle. That is 90 degree. So if this is a right angle, then this is the hypotenuse, opposite side and all. So you can take out this OP square is equal to OC dash square plus PC square. In the same way, for this equation, substitute all the quantities. That is, what do you mean by OP here? O to P. That is also a radius to the curve. So OP is written as R. This is a square root which is present here. And OC dash you don't know, and PC dash, that is distance between P to C dash, it is taken as, or it is considered as the X. So substitute all the thing and you are going to get what is OC dash. OC dash value you know, but what is actually OC dash means? See, if you want to get OC dash, that is formula for OC dash is when you add OD plus C dash D, you will get OC dash. That is what you need to write. OC dash is equal to C dash D plus OD. Same as you have written OC is equal to CD plus OD. In the same way, for the C dash you need to write this OC dash is equal to C dash D plus OD. So here C dash D, that is C dash to C dash D, it is nothing but OX.